choosing between booming bass and balanced bliss. Let's settle the JBL Tune 770NC vs Skullcandy Crusher Evo headphone showdown in 90 seconds. First up, the JBL Tune 770NC. Notice the sleek design and plush ear cups designed for long listening sessions. These cans offer excellent comfort for extended use. Key features are its adaptive noise cancelling and crisp clear sound. Now, let's switch to the Skullcandy Crusher Evo. See that slider? That's your gateway to bone-rattling bass. The Evo is all about that immersive, feel-it-in-your-chest experience. The customizable bass that you can fine-tune to your liking. Let's talk controls. The JBL 770NC uses buttons for most controls, including A and C. The Crusher Evo uses similar physical buttons which will allow you to control the volume and playback. They are both very responsive and easy to access. Considering noise cancellation, the JBL 770NC does a solid job blocking out distracting sounds, making it perfect for commutes and busy environments. They are very lightweight, so wearing them is easy. Bass heads rejoice. The Crusher Evo's sensory bass is in a league of its own. Feel the music with customizable bass levels that add a whole new dimension to your listening. Battery life. The JBL boasts up to 70 hours, while the Crusher Evo gives you around 40, making JBL the better choice here. It is almost double the playtime. Here's the breakdown. The JBL Tune 770NC is the better all-rounder, offering great sound, excellent noise cancellation, and long battery life. The Skullcandy Crusher Evo is all about that bass. Ultimately, the best headphones depend on your listening preferences. Which one will you choose?